way to stretch before a workout on the bike. Stretch your right arm over, clasp, and pull. Stretch your left. Stretch your left arm over, pull. Stretch your right arm over, pull. Okay, just like that. Clasp, extend down, clasp, extend down. Okay, triceps, stretch, triceps, stretch. Yeah, your legs are going to do most of your work, so clasp behind, pull in, stretch your quads, stretch your quads. Again, forward fold, stretch your hamstring. Give your side view of that one. Just like that. Stretch your hamstrings. Critical thing to do, back stretch, stretch your pecs. Forward fold. Final twist. Leave your boots unbuckled. If you leave your boots unbuckled, you'll have a much better chance of stretching properly. Otherwise, your boots will hinder you. Try to keep your hip line level. Stretch the pecs. Final twist. Traditional downward dog. And a traditional upward dog. Make sure it's not pitching. That's it. That should be a pretty good beginning performance. So my buddy Rodney's going to come blazing down the trail. There's nothing like it, man. Late summer, nice and cool, and it's just perfect weather for riding. Really can't say much bad about this, except it's just beautiful. So this is what we mean when it's all about the conditions. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this bike is on the edge of a serious downhill. It's like 45 degrees or more, I don't know. Hard to tell. Well, here's the trail. And there's the other hill, and this is what I'm looking at. This is level right here. Shot just to show my buddy the conditions that we get into when we have to pick up a bike. And thank God I stretched before this, because man, it was more work than I thought.
Whatever you do, don't fall over backwards. Okay, as soon as you get near here, just hand me the stick and I'll pull you up. All right? Remember, Jesus loves you.
Here, take the rope.